Finishing up example 5 of section 8.2, this is our last example. We are going to use the segment addition postulate in a little more contextual application now. So this says the cities shown on the map lie approximately in a straight line. Find the distance from Tulsa, Oklahoma to St. Louis, Missouri. Okay, so what we have here is we have Lubbock, Texas, and here's St. Louis. And in between them, approximately in a straight line, is Tulsa. So if you know you had to drive all the way from Lubbock to St. Louis, and let's say you do a little search and you find out that it's 738 miles. Okay, now chances are we probably couldn't drive there in a perfectly straight line, but let's say that we could. So if you know you have 738 miles to go, and you're driving, and from Lubbock you get to Tulsa and you realize, well, I've gone 377 miles so far. You're wondering, how much further do I have left to go? Well, there's where segment addition will help us. T is between L and S, so therefore LT plus TS should add up to LS. So LT we know is 377, the distance from Lubbock to Tulsa, plus we don't know the distance from Tulsa to St. Louis, so we'll call that X. And then the distance from Lubbock to St. Louis is 738. So simply subtracting 377 miles from each side should give me that answer. So this will be X equals 461, I believe, yes. So 361, sorry. 361 is what that would give me. So my answer to this problem is, how far is it from Tulsa to St. Louis? Well, from Tulsa to St. Louis, it'll be 361 miles. And there you have it. So we're done with section 8.2.